Hi, to rename your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, firstly go in the settings, and here you need to scroll a bit so you can see this About tablet. Now select it, and right the first thing you can see is your tablet's current name. So mine is Melika's Tab S10 Plus, and to rename it we will need to select this gray option, rename. So tap it. Now you can see that your current name is highlighted blue, so you can simply use this arrow to delete all of the text at once or use this delete button. But if you want to edit it, you will need to simply tap on any free space right here, so it won't be blue anymore. And now use this arrow to adjust the text. So I'm gonna leave only Malika. And now as you can see, we cannot use emojis here, unfortunately. So when you are done changing the name, you can save the changes by tapping this done button, and now this name will be shown on other devices when your tablet is available to connect using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and other methods. So let's tap done button, and here is the changes. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.